In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up forms in Zoho Creator. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand how to set up a basic application and get a form ready that you can later use in a pop-up inside your app interface. First, open your browser and go to Zoho Creator. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoho account so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the Zoho Creator homepage, look for the section that lists your applications. This is usually on your dashboard where all your existing apps are displayed. From here, click on the option to create a new application. This tells Zoho Creator that you want to start something fresh rather than editing an existing app. When the Create Application window opens, choose the option that says Create from Scratch. This is important because it gives you full control over the structure and design of your forms, which is ideal when you're planning to use them as pop-up forms. Next, you'll be asked to name your application. Type in sample as the application name. You can always rename it later, but using a simple name makes it easy to follow along. Once you've entered the name, click on the button to create the application. Zoho Creator will then generate a blank app and take you into the App Builder interface. Inside the App Builder, you'll see options to add new components. Look for the option that says Create New Form and click on it. Forms are the core elements you'll later use in pop-up windows, so this is the key step. When you click to create a new form, Zoho Creator will show you different ways to build it. You might see choices like creating a blank form, using a template, or importing data. Select the option that best fits your needs. For pop-up forms, a simple blank form is often the easiest starting point, because you can control exactly which fields appear. After you've made your selection, follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho Creator will guide you through adding fields like text boxes,